GST Council fixes uniform tax rates on the lotteries. The GST Council has decided to have a uniform tax rate on 28% for lotteries for the first time through voting. This is considered to be significant since so far for the decisions of the GST Council were adopted through consensus and voting of the members was not resorted to in the fixing the GST rates. Rationale behind the uniform tax rate on the lotteries. The lotteries are currently taxed rate on a dual rate, while state-run lotteries are taxed at 12% and private lotteries authorized by the state governments are taxed at 28%. Further, under the present mechanism, if a state authorized lottery is sold in the same state, then it is taxed at 12%. However, if it is sold at outside the state, then it is taxed at 28%. For instance, if Arunachal Pradesh government is selling its lotteries in Kerala, then it is taxed at 28%. However, if Arunachal Pradesh government sells its lotteries within the state, then it is taxed at 12%. Such dual GST rates on the lotteries goes against the principle of one nation, one tax. Even the private lottery operators had also argued in favor of uniform GST rates so as to create a level playing field between the state operated lotteries and private operated lotteries. Accordingly, GST Council through voting has now decided to impose uniform tax rate of 28% for the lotteries. Basic about GST Council. The composition of the GST Council is as per the 101st Constitutional Amendment Act. The Uniform Finance Minister is the chairman of the GST Council. Union Finance Minister is the chairman of the GST Council. Other members include Minister in charge of Finance for taxation of the state as members. The members of the GST Council choose one among themselves to be the vice chairman of the council for such period as they decide. One half of the total number of members of the GST Council shall constitute the quorum of its meetings. Decision making. Every decision of the GST Council shall be taken at the meeting by majority of not less than 3/4 of the weighted votes of the members present, and voting of a central government has the weightage of 1/3 of the total votes. The votes of state government taken together have a weightage of 2/3 of the total votes. Thus, central government has an effective veto on all decisions of the GST Council.